Hello everyone, welcome to today's Monday's webinar. Right now, as we have people still streaming in, I just also launched a poll already. Let me know if it's your first time here with us. Okay, ooh, quite a couple of first time. Welcome to this webinar. So let me tell you more about what we do here. We have a daily webinar where Jean will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for very specific currency for each day. Monday, Aussie and New Zealand. Tuesday is the euro. Wednesday is the pound. Thursday, yen and gold. And Friday is the Canadian dollar and cryptocurrencies. So Today it's a Monday, so Jean will be speaking about the Aussie and New Zealand pairs. As he'll be taking us through different time frames, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both long-term investors and short-term traders. During this session, Jean will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlight potential targets and risk. However, a disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. Now, a quick introduction to Jean. Jean is the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. Jean runs LCMS Traders, where he coaches traders on how to be consistent and profitable, and Forex Briefcase, which is our managed account services, where Jean trades an AUM of more than 11 million USD on a daily basis. Now, Jean has been invited to speak on many stages globally, like KL, Malaysia, Australia, Thailand, even also Singapore as well, and Hong Kong. It's really a lot of people are asking for his views on the forex market. Now, let me run a second poll right now, okay, to let me know how did you get to know this webinar. Okay, and while you're doing this poll, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you more about LCMS Traders Club. So let me do this here. Okay. So, LCMS Traders Club is where we teach, guide, signal, and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. This is the place to be regardless of whether you're new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. Currently we are on a private group on Facebook, but we are still going to upgrade really soon on our club to something really exciting this week. So stay tuned. We will tell you more about it this coming week. And if you are if you have joined us from the Telegram channel, you have been enjoying our trade signals absolutely free. A question you might have is that when you are told when to get into a trade, you do not know where to exit. In the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals and actually guide you on where to exit with specific reasons. So that in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, you also learn how to trade better. Now, if you want to learn new strategies or require some coaching, we have everything here in the club. Now, let's look at the club here. Right now, where I shared, you can see that actually last week, Friday, we issued a signal sell pound cat at 1.7568. Give you a stop loss and 3 take profit targets. Now, you can see here in the comment, we have put it in all the analysis and what we do with the charts, and with when we hit TP1, TP2, TP3, we will also issue it here and let you know as well. In this case, when we look at the market, yesterday market was looking pretty strong. So when we look at a pound cat here and a volatile, so we decided that at 20 pips TP1 we suggest to secure the profit. Now, not only that, if you look to the right here, popular post here, we have a currency watch list. We look here where every morning we will take a look at the currency pairs and give you which pairs, what possible action to buy or sell, which possible entry level and potential profit as a snapshot in the morning when we analyze the market. And also here we have the weekly live call. Okay. Here we have the weekly live call on Monday. Like this today evening, we run through the trade ideas, teach you new strategies, update you on more recent market and economic developments. This time is really the place where you pick Jean's brains on pretty much any trading related questions that you might have to further improve on your trading. Now, on Wednesdays, we run live trading sessions so that you can trade together with Jean, and profit together. Now, lastly, we have wide range of analysis for the club members, all providing you the best information, shortcutting your way to a trading success. Now, how do you join this group? The link is also posted in the chat group here already. Right now, we have all you got to go is the tradersclub.lcms.com.sg, and go scroll it all the way down. You will see here a 199 a year, which really less than $1 a day. Now, if you're facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any risk on your trades, you need to join the club to get some guidance towards profit and some coaching on improving your confidence and strategy immediately. Now, trading can be very lonely, but with a close-knit community here ready to share, trading can be really very enjoyable and definitely profitable. Now, if you already haven't joined now, make sure you click on the link now to join immediately. Okay? Right now, so before that, let me now hand over to Jean for the Aussie and New Zealand pairs.
Good morning. So, brand new week, Monday. Let's look at the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar. But before we do that, just wanted to do a quick review about what we spoke about last week. On Friday, the US CAD was saying that it was going to come down, test the 1.2635 level before going up towards that 1.2738 level. So super happy about that. It did test, bounced straight up, hit that level, way outside of Bollinger Band, came straight back in, and it's back to where it started, where we did our analysis at 1.2655. So I hope you got into that trade. Why this move happened was primarily because of the non-farm payroll numbers, showing you on Forex Trading Asia. We'll have to scroll up. So last Friday, we had the non-farm payroll numbers come out for the US, and you can see non-farm payrolls came out very, very good, over and beyond whatever was expected. So was 166, a revised number was 166. Expected 182, came out at 379. So very good non-farm payroll numbers for the US. And then we saw unemployment rate go from 6.3 to 6.2%. This gradual recovery in unemployment rates, in the non-farm payroll numbers, in the average hourly earnings month on month, maintaining at 0.2% shows that gradual US dollar strength come around. It shows that gradual US dollar strength come around. And because of this, I do anticipate that we might actually see continual short to medium term, continual US dollar strength maintained maybe through this week. All right, so what we have this week coming up, today, Monday, I can tell you, it is almost like a rest day. Nothing much happening. Yen news not going to move prices too much, especially for the Aussie dollar or the New Zealand dollar. Our focus today, we have some Swiss franc numbers, unemployment rates there, Euro news there, and some US dollar or US economic data being released. None of these are probably going to move prices too much. What I'll pay more attention to is on Tuesday. We have Tuesday's Aussie numbers, new home sales numbers, business confidence coming out, business surveys coming out. All right, all of these probably will not move prices like that 100 or 150 pip upwards or downwards. These are probably going to maintain that move for the Aussie dollar and also for the New Zealand dollar. I'll tell you more about it when we look at it on the charts. And then we have Euro employment numbers, Euro GDP numbers. And on Wednesday, I want to look for Wednesday where we have the US CPI numbers. US CPI numbers, core CPI expected to go from 0.1% to 0.2%, core CPI month on month. So with that improvement slight improvement in the CPI numbers, we could actually see the US dollar continue to strengthen. So what all this means when you look at it on the chart, this is the Aussie dollar on the H4 time frame. Looking at the Aussie dollar on H4, we saw the US dollar strength come down. We saw the US dollar strength bring the Aussie dollar down, testing that 7666 support level. It's hit that point way outside Bollinger Band, retraced back up. Right now it is sitting at 7693, or I'd say very close to 7700. At this point, I think we might see some further retracement. We might see it retrace a little bit more, maybe towards 7730. So the Aussie dollar to possibly retrace a little bit more towards 7730 before turning back down again. Because anticipating that US dollar strength, we could actually see Aussie dollar retrace slightly before turning back down towards 7666. And if it breaks 7666, we could see it drop further, even towards 7566. So the trading opportunity here is to look for it to go up, test 7730, let it reject that point. You have a 30 pip stop loss for first 40 pip take profit level, and then after that another 100 and about 150 pip take profit level again. So 30 pip stop loss, 150 pip take profit level. 1:5. Very good risk reward ratios here, looking at the Aussie dollar for it to go up, test and reject 7730 to gradually move towards 7566. All these will be dependent on good data from the US. The CPI number from the US can drive the Aussie dollar lower. So with that said about the Aussie dollar, we have the New Zealand dollar as well. New Zealand dollar right now, same thing, very closely correlated to the Aussie dollar. We've seen that New Zealand dollar now drop a lot from 7167 because of the non-farm payrolls, retrace back up, now sitting at 7167. Because of this, I'll zoom in one more. Because of this, what we could anticipate to see at this point is for it to sit at this resistance level 7167, sit across that point before turning down again. All right, so we could see it sit across before turning back down again. How far down can it go? Maybe towards 7062. So look for selling opportunities down towards 7062. You can look below 7150. Below 7150, 30 pip stop loss, 60 to 70 pip take profit level. Your 1:2 risk reward ratio for the New Zealand dollar. But at this point, both the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar are retracing. Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar are retracing right now. So you probably will not be able to jump into a trade straight away. Have a little bit of a patience. Let it sit there before turning down, or let it retrace up before turning back down to look for that selling opportunity. So very short and sharp on the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar. For those of you who are Traders Club members, make sure you join us tonight, GMT plus 8 p.m. Singapore time, where we go through the coaching sessions. I'll guide you through some of your questions on trades, look at some of your trade ideas, or review some of your trades, and we'll guide you through what other trades could be available, giving you an early heads up as we guide you through that tonight. So with that said, I'll pass it back to Daniel.
Okay, thanks, Jin, for the Aussie and New Zealand trading ideas and what possibly could be where it could move. So for those who are new here, recording of this video will be uploaded in the LCMS Traders YouTube channel. But before you go, could you do a poll, answer a poll of how do you think of this webinar? Is this is it perfect? Is it just good? Do let us know as well. Okay. So remember, tomorrow it's a Tuesday, so we'll be talking about the Euro pairs. So catch you back same time. Looking forward to see you then. Bye.